Hello friends, today we'll study next lab program 2B. Write a Java class called customer to store their name and date of birth. The date of birth format should be dd/mm/yyyy. Write methods to read customer data as name, comma, dd/mm/yyyy and display as name, comma, dd, comma, mm, comma, yyyy using string tokenizer class, considering the delimiter character as slash. So here you have to input name, comma, then date in this format by using delimiter slash, and you have to display name, comma, okay. While you input you have to give slash, in output should display comma, okay. After dd display comma, okay. So using string tokenizer class you have to consider the delimiter character as slash and the class name is customer, okay. So first you have to use the concept of string tokenizer class, okay. What is string tokenizer class? String tokenizer class allows an application to break a string into tokens, okay. This class, string tokenizer class, allows an application to break, okay. There is a big string, it breaks into smaller parts, okay, by using some delimiter, okay. Maybe this slash or either it may be backward, forward, anything, any delimiter you can use, but in this program they especially mentioned this slash, okay. Then import java.util.scanner. This is for input alphanumeric characters from several input sources and convert them into binary data. Then import java.util.string tokenizer, okay. So this is for this string tokenizer class, okay, for to break string into tokens. Then public class customer, the file name is also customer and here the class name also customer. Then there is a display function to display the name and date, okay. So before that create the scanner sc, okay, equal to new scanner of system.in. This for to create a new scanner instance which points to the input stream passed as argument, okay. It creates what? New scanner instance, okay. This is for to input, okay. Next we are using input statement. For that okay, you have to create the object sc. Then display one message by using system.out.println statement, output statement. Enter customer name and date of birth, okay. You have to enter customer name and date of birth. Then string data, the variable name is data sc dot next line, okay. So this statement to input the name and date of birth. Then string tokenizer class, the object name is st equal to new string tokenizer data. Data is the variable name, comma, the slash, okay, is a separator, okay. Then next you have to, this is input over, okay. Next created the class, created the object st from string tokenizer class, okay. Now you have to display, okay. So you have to display which format? You have to display by comma, okay. Actually you have to input in this method. This is the input statement, okay. In this name, any name you have to enter, any date you have to enter, and you have to display in this format. After name, comma, okay. After dd, then instead of slash in output comma. In input slash is there, you have to mention the slash, but in output should display comma. Comma is a separator here, okay. Delimiter is comma in output statement, okay. So just display the message customer name and date of birth is okay. Then while st means here this string tokenizer class object, okay, it's the object of string tokenizer class, has more tokens, means the has more tokens method of string tokenizer class checks whether there are any more tokens available with this string tokenizer. Okay, it checks what is there any more tokens available. Okay, if it is available, it continues. If there is no tokens available, then it stops the loop. Okay, then string val is a variable of data type string st.next token. The next token method of string tokenizer class is used to return the next token one after another from this string tokenizer. Okay, so it returns what? A token. Okay, one after another. Then system.out.println. Okay, so you take one token, okay, from this val variable, okay, from val variable. Then okay, the first token is assigned to val variable that is displaying here. Okay, don't use println here. Print difference is what? Println it displays line by line. Okay, so it displays one token in one line, next token in second line. But in question they mentioned the output it should displays in one line, means like this, name, comma, dd, comma, like this. So that's why. So use print instead of println. Print means it displays in the same line. Okay, not display one after another. Okay, in the same line it displays. Okay, means what? There is no new line. Okay, no new line. In C program you use a /n. No, so here you are not using /n. If you not use /n, it displays in the same line. Okay, that is the meaning here. If you use print, print means what? There is no /n. Println means you mention the /n. Okay, if st.count tokens not equal to 0, the count tokens method returns the number of tokens remaining in the string using the current delimiter set. Okay, so here count tokens, it counts the how many tokens are remaining. Okay, so if it is not equal to 0 means, okay, so it displays the message. Okay, if it is 0 means it stops, it not displays. Okay, if there is a token it displays, if there is no token it not displays. Then it displays plus comma. Okay, the separator is what? Comma, then plus. Okay, so again this loop repeats. Okay, again next token, assume there are 4 tokens are there. One is name, one is date, then month, then year. Okay, initially first name. Okay, so name has more token. Yes. Okay, only first name. Okay, first token is name. So then it take that token. Okay, name, then it displays. Okay, name displays. After that again 3 more are there. So total 4 are there. So 3 more tokens are there. So 3 is not equal to 0. So it displays what? Comma. Okay, in next loop so 3 tokens are there. Okay, so st has more tokens. Yes, there are 3 more tokens are there. So it take next token. Next token is what? Date. Okay, first name, second date. Then it take that val contain what? Day. Okay, day. Then after that it print day. Okay, so after that so 2 more tokens are there. Okay, so it displays comma, then plus symbol. Okay, next so 2 more tokens are there, has more tokens. Yes, 2 more tokens are there. Okay, month and year. Then st.next token means it take next token as month. It assign in val, so val contain month. Okay, display that month value. Okay, then one more token is remain. Okay, then comma. Okay, it displays comma, then plus, then yes, one token is remain. Okay, it displays that one. Okay, it retrieve next year. Okay, la val value is what? Year. Okay, it displays that year. Okay, after year over there is no tokens remain. Okay, all tokens are displayed. Okay, so this condition become false, so this statement not displays. Then after that st dot has more. Okay, So st dot has more tokens. Okay, now all the tokens are displayed, all 4 tokens are displayed, and no more tokens are remaining here. So this condition becomes false. If condition false, this while loop stops. Then st dot close. Okay, this data get closed. Okay, no more input is remain, accessing is remain here. Then returns. Okay, so here in the main function you create a object C, new customer. Customer is the class name. Okay, class name here. Then C dot display. Okay, so in the display function both the input and output in the same function. You can separate input separate, output separate also you can do. Okay, or you can display in the same function, same method. Okay, so we call the display function. In the display function first it input customer name and date of birth. After that it separates the tokens by slash. Okay, then so here the separator is what? Slash here. Okay, string tokenizer slash. Okay, so it's separated by slash here. Clear, no? Okay, so let's execute the program. First compile. File name is customer. So Java C file name .java. It's successfully compiled. Then execute the program. Okay, enter customer name and date of birth. Okay, I enter name Anil. Then date format must be okay, first day, then month, then year. Okay, then press enter. So the output is what? Anil. Okay, if you mention comma here, displays comma. Okay, once again I execute, run. First enter Anil. You mention comma here. Okay, then date. Okay, so output also displays Anil comma. Then after 5 comma instead of slash comma is there. 8 comma then year. Okay, so this is the simple program. Okay, this is the output. This is the input. Okay, very simple program. Okay, so here the new concept is what? Here we are using string tokenizer. Okay, string tokenizer is to separate the tokens. Okay, allows to break the string into token. One string is break into different tokens. Okay, clear, no? We just execute in your computer. Okay, thank you.